Hey guys, as I'm sure you're all very much aware, my love for vegetables runs deep. In particular, these beautiful green veggies here are one of my favourites, and I'm here to show you how to get the best out of them. Tenderstem broccoli is this unique long stem broccoli that is packed with vitamins, minerals and flavour. It has this beautiful sweet, nutty profile wrapped in a delicious crunch. An elegant way to add a little bit of excitement to special meal times, Tenderstem broccoli is a great alternative to traditional broccoli with that extra bit of pizzazz. My favourite way to have Tenderstem broccoli is just to quickly blanch it for about 30 seconds in a pot of boiling water. This keeps that beautiful colour, the texture, because it's already quite tender as it is. It's amazing in curries, stir fries, pasta dishes, anything that needs a kind of pop of crunch, freshness and that beautiful vibrant green colour. These amazing stems are high in fibre, folate and both vitamins A and C. A true superfood, Tenderstem broccoli is great for your skin and a great way to get in your 5 a day. And you can eat the whole lot, no need for chopping. My job is to make your life easier at home in the kitchen. If I can't physically feed you, I need to teach you how to feed yourself. So try adding in the Tenderstem broccoli to your likes of Thai curries, Asian stir fries like the hoisin we did a couple of weeks ago, or it's perfect on the side if you fry it with some pancetta, with some garlic, or in a beautiful rainbow salad. So keep it simple, keep it quick, but most importantly, keep it delicious. Let us know your favourite way to have Tenderstem broccoli at home and make sure you tag us in all of the recreations. So until next time, keep on cooking.